If you've got a tight, restricted thoracic spine, the upper mid portion of your back, and it's just not moving how you want it to, here's a great exercise to try that might help you out. So we're gonna do a traditional exercise called threading the needle, but we're gonna use something like a little travel roller here in order to get a little bit more mobility, a little bit more range of motion out of the movement. And it oftentimes feels a bit easier to do and a bit more natural. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little travel roller or some other type of cylindrical object. We're gonna place it on the ground, and then I'm gonna have one of my hands on the floor, and then I'm gonna take my free hand, I'm gonna come underneath, and from here, I'm just gonna let my arm get rolled out along the roller, and you're gonna see this big twist in my thoracic spine. And all I'm doing here is I'm going right to the end range where I get a good, comfortable stretch, but nothing painful. And I do that as many times as I want. It feels wonderful. And then when you're ready, you just come right to the other side. Same deal. From here, I'm just gonna rotate down. And if you get a little pop or click out of your back, that's totally fine. We call that a cavitation of the joint. And it should often almost be pain relieving sometimes to get one of those. But just right through there, I'm just going to whatever range feels good for me, threading the needle with the travel roller, just like that. Now, if you found that to be helpful or useful in any sort of way, feel free to like and then subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about how to get your body moving better and feeling better. Again, on this channel, I put out all sorts of content pertaining the art and the science of coming back stronger and making yourselves as physically capable and robust of a human being as possible. So in the meantime, keep looking after yourselves, keep looking after one another, keep making great things happen, and I'll see you in the next video.